What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. We're back with another video showing you guys all of our capabilities, showing you guys our work, showing you guys the different years, makes, and models of vehicles that we work on. This video is specifically tailored to Tesla Model Ys, as we do a lot of them. In the 2022 year alone, we did 150 Tesla Model Ys. So I want to tell you guys a little bit about everything that we can do in them. I'm inside of a Tesla Model Y right now, a 2024 that we're completing. Full paint protection film installation on the front end, plus ceramic window tint. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys the tint on the windows. As you can see, the windows are tinted. In this case, I believe we have a 5% on the side, 35% on the windshield, which is 100% illegal. It is not something that we recommend. However, the customer understands the challenges of the visibility. He understands the local laws, and he decided that that's what he wanted, so that's what we're giving him. We're using XPEL ceramic window tint. This tint is going to give him a 88% heat rejection, XPEL XR Black to be specific, 99% UV rejection, and it's going to come with a lifetime warranty. Check out the installation on the tint. As you can see perfectly through the glass. The one thing I always tell people is window tints or window films are designed to see through the glass. There is certainly going to be some small imperfections. If you put your camera or your computer on 4K, you may be able to see very, very tiny spots here. This vehicle has not gone through the drying process anyways. This is a very, very clean install. However, we do not guarantee 100% clean installation because it's virtually almost impossible to achieve. This Model Y has the new tri-coat red on the exterior and the white interior. And we have completed a full front-end paint protection film installation. I'm gonna flip the camera. Hopefully you guys can hear me well here, as there is a lot of background noise. The mirrors are PPF'd, and as you can see, they're done in one piece. My installer still has to trim the remainder film. The one thing we do here at Purple Flare Wraps is we take the time to remove stuff. So in this case, this is dirty. This vehicle is not ready for pickup yet, but the camera was removed, and that's very important, and that's something not every shop is going to do. Not every shop has a mechanic on site. Not every shop is going to go the extra mile and remove the camera. Why we do it, and the reason why I think is great, is since we remove the camera, we don't have the PPF film coming out here. We're able to wrap all the way inside, making it seem 100% seamless, making it seem like the film's not there. If you go to this edge here, I can't even find the edge of the film. It's all the way back there. It is about this much back there. Look at the reflection back there. That's where I can feel the film. It's fully wrapped around. You can see right here how this edge is not fully finished yet. It has to go over it with heat and finalize it. But this car is getting, again, a full frontal paint protection film application with XPEL paint protection film. It's going to be an 8mm film. It's going to have a 10-year warranty, a 10-year transferable warranty. That's going to basically protect your vehicle for the long term. In this case, we're doing obviously the full fenders, the full front bumper, headlights, turn signal, hood. In the hood, we actually go the extra mile, remove the emblem as well before we apply the film. So we give it 100% clean install, and we normally get a front-end PPF installation done within the same day. Our preferred time is for you to bring the vehicle in at night, 5 p.m., pick it up the next day around the same time, 24-hour turnaround, and we give you 100% satisfaction guarantee when it comes to the paint protection film. Now I'm going to turn around to this Model Y. I was getting a Gloss Nero Gray full color change. This is another car that got started today. We have 2 installers working on it. This is a sale that we launched last week or this week, and this customer picked this Nero Gray from the sale. So full color change, everything's getting done. As you can see, the pillar's not done. As you can see on this one, this assembly is a little bit further. We've taken out the mirrors, we've taken out the side moldings, and we are completing the cleanest possible installation. I'm gonna walk around to get a little bit away from the radio and show you guys and talk about some of the other stuff we have going on. This GLE is getting a satin black color change. And then again, it's a Model Y video. We have a few more things in the shop. You can see kind of our installations. We have the Cybertruck getting a full satin black paint protection film. Right now it's just getting through the prep process. My guy over there just washed it. He's doing a deep cleaning. Then he's gonna be applying the film. And our mechanic is gonna come around, disassemble these moldings, take them out, take out the cameras, take out the mirrors, disconnect the cameras, and basically get it ready for application of the film. It's also gonna get a ceramic window tint. We also have a commercial wrap right here. In the case of this other Tesla Model Y, it's also getting a color change, satin black rose aluminum by Cheetah Wrap, full color change. Very nice color. There we go. So this one is more in the beginning process. So he's basically got the car prepped, got the car disassembled, matched out his lights at the clay bar, did an alcohol cleaning, and now he's basically gonna be cutting out his film and doing the application of the film. So this is gonna get a full color change. Again, you know, as you can see, we have 3 Model Ys in the shop, all getting different services. If you have a Model Y, we understand one thing. We understand Tesla paint is one of the hardest to match, and we understand Tesla has very limited choice of colors and very thin paint. So what we can do for you is customize and make the car yours, make the car unique, do a full color change wrap. If you like the color, we could do a ceramic coating or paint protection film. And the one thing you mostly need and you cannot avoid doing, and you have to do here in Las Vegas, is get a ceramic window tint. The ceramic window tint is going to protect your kids, it's going to protect your family, it's going to protect your interior and yourself from the UV rays and obviously block the heat out. I'm going to flip the camera one last time, show you guys also this Mercedes EQE. This one we completed a full stealth or matte paint protection film application. As you can see, this is a white car. And in the case of a white car, it is very important that the application is done correctly. In this case, like in every case, we wrap every single edge, providing the highest quality level of installation possible. Why does that matter? That matters because in the case of a white car, if it's not done right, you will see dirt and stuff start accumulating on those edges. And that's not something we want, that's not something we will take pride on. We also did carbon fiber on all the trims, and some of the trims, we actually also did PPF on the chrome. All these window moldings were chrome, and we actually wrapped all of them with a black vinyl and black PPF on some of the other areas. Again, if you're in the Las Vegas area, please come by our shop. We would love to consider us to protect your vehicle, change the color of your vehicle, paint protection film, ceramic coatings, window tinting, it doesn't matter. We would love to assist you. If you're in the area, you have a commercial vehicle, come by, we will give you a quote. We do all the design, the print, the installation in-house. Everything we offer, all the services we offer them and we handle them in-house in order to provide the highest level of quality, in order to adhere to our timelines. Now, if you're in the area, just come by and say hi, check us out. Even if you don't need anything, we'd love to shake your hand. We'd love to make a friend. The one thing with us is, again, we have different people that work on different vehicles, work on different areas. See that guy right there? That's Yon, he's our commercial wrap installer. He would only install commercial wraps. This is our detailer, only does ceramic coating, paint corrections, and detailing. That's our mechanic, he only does mechanic work. He assembles cars, he does brakes for us, we need it for here, the guys at the shop, takes out the wheels, etc. So we have people that specialize in different areas of the business, and we would love to take care of you, and we are not a transactional business. What do I mean by that? What I mean by we're not a transactional business is we are not going to charge you the highest possible price in order to get the highest amount of money from you and then not want your business in the future. We want your business for life. We're going to give you the best possible service, the best possible quality, and obviously a competitive price, an aggressive price, in order to keep your business for the long term. Then when you get your next vehicle, 5 years from now, 3 years from now, we want you to bring it to us. We want to take care of you. Again, thank you so much for watching our videos. If you have a Model Y, if you have any other vehicle, and you want to protect it, change the color, customize it, give us a call. We'd love to earn your business. For Tesla Model Ys, we love them. Give us a call. We have something special going on all the time for them. Thank you for watching.